kids, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn ABCD. Let's start. A for apple. A for aeroplane. B for bat. B for ball. C for cap. C for candy. D for doll. D for donkey. E for egg. E for eggplant. F for frog. F for fish. G for goat. G for girl. H for house. H for home. I for eyes. I for ice cream. J for jelly. J for jug. K for king. K for kite. L for lemon. L for lime. M for monkey. M for mango. N for nose. N for nest. O for owl. O for orange. P for piano. P for papaya. Q for queen. Q for quiz. R for ring. R for ring. R for rat. R for ring. R for rat. S for strawberry. S for star. T for tomato. T for toast. U for unicorn. U for umbrella. V for vanilla. V for village. W for water. W for watermelon. X for xylophone. X for Christmas tree. Y for yak. Y for yellow color. Z for zebra. Z for zoo. So kids, what we learn today? We learn A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So kids, hope you like my video. So please don't forget like, share and subscribe my channel. We will see you next video with new topic. Till then, bye.